In this session, now we are discussing yoga with wellness. First, let's begin by looking at yoga's impact on the physical wellness. Many people think of yoga as just stretching, and it's far more than that. Yoga poses or asanas are designed to increase strength, flexibility, and balance. These poses align the body and support its function, helping improving posture, preventing injuries, and relieve tension from the daily stresses. The pranayama, what we call the breathwork, is also incorporated in the yoga to increase oxygen flows throughout the body, which enhance circulation, promote detoxification, and boost energy levels. All these physical benefits combines to give you and your students a strong, healthy foundation for overall wellness. Now, let's talk about the profound effects yoga has on mental wellness. In the fast-paced world, mental stress is the most unavoidable, but yoga offers a way to slow down and center the mind. The focusing on the breath and mindfulness practice during the yoga practices can help calm the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and bring a sense of peace of mind for your students or for yourself. Regular practices, yoga teaches each one of us to let go of our worries and mental clutters. So this clarity not only improves the emotional balance but also enhances cognitive function and helps you and your clients to stay grounded in difficult situations. Besides the physical and the mental wellness, yoga is also about emotional wellness. Through meditation and breathing practices, one can learn how to process their emotions in the healthy way, allowing the emotional healing and growth. So the emotional balance is essential for overall well-being and helping human beings to lead a more joyful and fulfilling life. Sometimes as we flow through yoga poses, we often encounter physical discomfort, sometimes even emotional resistance. And these moments can teach us to have self-compassion, patience, and resilience. Yoga encourages a deeper connection with our emotions and helping us release up feelings and cultivate a sense of self-love. And let's not forget the spiritual aspect of yoga, which is an important part of wellness. While spiritual wellness may mean different things to different people, yoga invites us to explore a deeper connection to ourselves and the universe. Whether you practice yoga for spiritual enlightenment or simply to find moments of quiet reflection, this connection fosters inner peace, clarity, and a sense of purpose, which are integral to living a fulfilled life. So, through meditation, mindful movement, and the practice of gratitude, yoga helps you and your students to nourish the soul. So you can see, as yoga teachers, yoga is a powerful practice that nurtures every part of who we are, our body, mind, emotions, and spirit. Whether your students are looking to enhance their physical strengths or manage stress or release emotional blockage or even connect with a deeper sense of purpose, yoga offers the tools for achieving true wellness.